India and the United States have concluded almost 5 to 6 days of intense negotiations for an early trade deal. Brendan Lynch, the representative of the US Trade Department, was here and he held talks with Special Secretary of the Indian Commerce Ministry, Rajesh Agarwal. There were discussions on digital trade between the two countries, technical barriers to trade as well, and also for more market access on both sides. The US government is asking the Indian government to lower barriers and give access to US wheat, rice, maize and dairy producers. Now, all these areas have usually been red lines for the Indian government, and the Indian government wants to keep this out of the bilateral trade agreement. Let's see what happens on this front. Having said that, US also wants to maintain a 10% baseline tariff even if an interim deal is agreed upon, because this is the arrangement they've had with UK and the European Union as well. Now, India wants a complete reprieve from the reciprocal tariffs. So this is something that is yet to be worked on, yet to be cleared. India is also seeking an exemption from 50% tariff imposed by the US government on steel and aluminium. Let's see what happens in all these areas. Many of the sectors have a certain degree of agreement, others are yet to be agreed upon, but there is hope that there will be an early trade deal by the end of this month and well before the 9th of July. The government sources in India and the United States are indicating that talks so far have been positive and productive, and they are laying the groundwork for a mutually beneficial bilateral trade agreement and hopefully an interim trade deal as well. But for the moment, we are not close to clinching that trade deal. It will require a few more days of negotiation, and hopefully in the next few weeks, we will get some good news on the interim trade agreement.